Welcome back, kindergartners. It's me, Mrs. Skinner. Perhaps you met me last week. If you didn't, though, it's nice to meet you today. Last week during math with your teacher, I bet you did a lot of activities that had to do with shoes. And wasn't that fun? Today, though, we're going to talk about what's inside our shoes. What's inside your shoes? Okay, sure. We have feet and we have socks. Okay, anything else? Yes, we have toes. How many toes do you have? Okay, I heard someone say they have 10 toes. Good idea, yep. If you need to count your toes, pause this video and count them, okay? So both feet together, yes, makes 10 toes. How about just one foot? How many toes do you have on just one? Okay, yep, you have 5 toes. Now, I have had a student before, though, who was born with actually 6 toes. Or perhaps someone gets in an accident and they only have 4 toes. But we're going to be working with the number 5 today. So no matter how many toes you've got, check them, make sure that you know how many you've got. We're going to work with 5. Okay, and you're going to need the 5 frame that your teacher hopefully got a chance to send home. Now, if they didn't get a chance to send it home, no big deal. I bet you your grown-up at home or your big brother or sister or your grandma or grandpa or your aunt or whoever could draw a 5 frame really quick on a piece of paper for you. Okay? Now, before we use this, though, let's talk about the 5 frame. And last week we tried something called Think, Pair, Share. First, I want you to think. What do you notice about this 5 frame? Okay, just think right now. Okay, now I want you to do the second step. Okay, I want you to pair. I want you to tell someone at home, what do you notice about this 5 frame? And maybe they notice something. Go ahead. Okay, yeah, somebody said it's got squares on it. You're right. Let's count. How many squares are there? Do you know? Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Somebody else said, yep, all 5 squares make one long rectangle. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to use the 5 frame today. We're not going to use the other side. If you have this mat, we will save that for next week. Okay, so today you're going to need a 5 frame and you're also going to need 5 objects. Maybe you have 5 cubes your teacher sent home and you're going to need 5 of them. If you don't have cubes though, perhaps your teacher sent home some beans. I have some plastic red and white beans. Maybe your teacher sent home real beans that are painted on one side. Now, if you don't have either of those though, I went and found some rocks outside. You could use 5 of anything as long as they'll fit in your 5 frame. So I could also use my rocks. Okay, and what we're going to do, I'm actually going to make my picture small right now and put myself down in the corner. And we're actually going to use this app, which is available at the Math Learning Center, and it's called the Number Frames app. And you and your family can visit it for free anytime. Okay. Do you see my 5 frame up here at the top? Yep, that's the one we just talked about. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a 5 frame that's under here. And you're going to have to decide or count or figure out how many dots are on that 5 frame. And then you need to match it using the rocks or the beans or the cubes you have at home and match it on your 5 frame. Okay, got it? All right, let's try the first one. Okay, how many dots do you see on the 5 frame? Okay, match it. Did you put 2 on your 5 frame? Okay, show me 2 fingers also. Okay, now how many more would we need to have a full 5 frame? Okay, show me on your fingers. We would need 3 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. If we had 3 more, then we would have a total of 5. Okay, next one. You ready? Match it on your 5 frame. Okay, show me that number on your 5 frame. Okay, what number did you get? Show me on your fingers. How many are on your 5 frame? Yep, you have 3. Okay, my next question is how many empty ones do we have? How many empty ones? Show me on your fingers. Yep, we have 2 that are empty. Okay, next one. Show me that number on your 5 frame. Okay, did you put 1 on your 5 frame? Yep. Okay, how many more do we need to get 5? We already have 1. How many more do we need? Okay, show me on your fingers. Are you showing me 4? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, we need 4 more. Okay, next one. Okay, match it on your 5 frame. How many dots are there? Okay, show me how many dots or how many rocks or how many beans you put on your 5 frame. Okay, did you put 4? And how many more do we need to get to 5? Yeah, we need 1 more. Okay, how did you figure out 4 so quickly though? Okay, some of you counted 1, 2, 3, 4. Good idea. Okay, somebody said, I know 2 and 2 more makes 4. Good thinking. Oh my goodness, somebody also said they knew this whole 5 frame fits 5, but if I take 1 away, then I only have 4. Good thinking. Okay, last one. Okay, match my 5 frame. How many are on there? You're right. Show me on your fingers. How many are on there? 5. Okay. Very fun. Yes, nice job. Do we need any more for this 5 frame? No, it's already full. We've already got 5 and we don't need any more. We have 0 more. We don't need any more. Okay, so once again, my name is Mrs. Skinner. I enjoyed doing math with you again today, and I'll see you next time.